My first reaction is see, the land scamster is taken in by the party. Number one. Second is I have written a complaint to the Minister of Revenue, to the department of the Kumda land scam. Land scam means what? Kumda land is sold to a Delhi builder, and the BJP is taking him in the party. That's good. Let people of Goa know that we are involved in land scams.
Before inducting him, whether you were told or you were taken into confidence?
I was taken in confidence by saying that some people are some people are being inducted in the party. Even today morning I got a call from the party president who wants to see him. I told him I can't attend the function because I have committed against him and not fair on my part. What message go to the public that I have joined hands with him?
Now, what's the position? Because there's a talk of town that now Dachi Salkar will get the BJP ticket.
Say ticket or no ticket, I am there for the next election. I've said last few days I'll take half and it's the time to half decision. Time has come for decisions.
What would be the move in the being in the same party, or what exactly?
See, when you play a game of cards, you have to keep some cards in the pocket. I got cards in my pocket.
So your plans are ready.
My plan B is ready, plan C is ready, everything ready. See, first of all, it is insult to the people of Vastu. Insult in what way? Ami BJP power and Vastu Daw Sarke good to Ami the Lokan Dulle. Santosh Dulle, Allega time Allah. That is the time that people of Vastu have shown that they are with the BJP. From the Congress. The shift not easy to make. A shift from voters from Congress to BJP is very difficult. But we have done it as a team. Then first time we won the election 2012. Second time, the history in Vasco, the new MLA is won. Second time, the people of Vasco have done, not I. Now they think that the party thinks it is good. I am happy with the party.
Some of you have a delegation.
Allegation that Vasco was stepmother treatment. I have been telling all this story. In Vasco, nothing has happened. If somebody says that I have not moved files, I can show the dates and files. So many meetings have been conducted regarding development. Even CM came to Vasco Ravindra Bhavan. CM promised that things will move, but nothing has moved.
So now what? Now do you think that now development will happen?
I hope so. Miracle happen.
Do you think that the development was purposely kept on?
Now I feel that it was done on purpose. Now with all this happening, detention. Because he is the only fellow who is talking against it. The bus stand issue, it was raised by his wife, that's all. Nobody else. And now I hope he says raises the issue again the paper, again by tomorrow, next 2 days. I won't see when he raises again.
So you mean to say the development was not done because of Dachi Salkar?
One reason.
So there have been sideline issues, sir, deliberately.
I think, see, Vasco has been sidelined. Basically, see, development has not happened. See, you compare Vasco to Murmugao. Today, ministers in all over Goa, they are only ministers for their constituency. I'm talking about Mandre. See, Sopte, see, Adgogar. They do development only in their constituency. But the minister for Goa, not for MLA for constituency.
But sir, how you will overcome from this negativity that there is no development? Because you have just now said that you again will say everything depends on the performance.
See, people of Goa know. Now, see, today my party is exposed. They have inducted somebody who has got a bad name, somebody who has got a bad record. That itself is enough. And same person, he was instigated by the party got the big statement against me. Mr. Fadnavis ji about the video. I said the allegation about the video. Come back. I said this video will do us more harm, not in Goa. There are 5 states going for election, 5 states. The video is launched outside. It's not a small joke. It's going to be a big major scam all over India. in UP there are a lot of people who are in different type of cases, MLAs. In Goa there are no much cases of MLAs. There are more cases. Those people want tickets. And if they give one ticket to the same minister in Goa, it will be worse in other states. My friend, but not hardcore supporter. Deepak contest municipal election. I am not backstab Deepak, and I hope he will not backstab me.
Other BJP functionaries, what happened to the BJP Vastu BJP bloc? Is it a divided house or is it still the united?
See, as far as my knowledge goes up today, they have been pressurized to come. Some people have gone the possibility just to see the induction. So things will be clear next few days.
But what about the BJP bloc now? Whether you will remain in the party or because
See, I am a BJP MLA and I'll stay faithful to the party as long as the party attacks, we will backstabbing me again and again. I have said that party are not the development Vasco. Vasco is very step by treatment. So many times I have said, not once or twice, many times. Now let's say, I hope Ms. Salkar gets the bus stand done. Come the bus stand down in the talking in the government. Now I want to see the position. Whether the CM gives us money for the bus stand. I hope with Daji coming, something very good will happen to the party in Vasco.